What if feeding your toddler didn't have to be a struggle? Hi Faves, welcome back to my kitchen. Let me show you how I made this nourishing stir-fried rice. I started by setting my washed rice on the fire and then went in with some water. Once it began to boil, I added some finely chopped carrots into the pot. This helps soften the carrots and makes it easy for my baby to chew. In a separate pot, I added some oil and scrambled 2 eggs. We stir this continuously on low heat until it is set completely. You want that egg soft and fluffy and not dry at all. When this is ready, you go ahead and set it aside. Next, I fried some fish I deboned and chopped earlier. Keep stirring till the fish is cooked properly. Once my fish is ready, I add some chopped onions and give that a good mix. Followed by a little pepper. You don't want to add too much pepper since you're making this for children. I also added some herbs, 1 seasoning cube, and garlic powder. Stir everything together for it to combine properly. Then I added the scrambled egg and folded it in gently. Now it's time to pour in our cooked rice and carrots. Give that a gentle stir over low heat, just enough to bring everything together without breaking it down. And for a fresh finish, I added some chopped spring onions after turning off the heat. Even though I made this for my baby boy, this isn't only for babies. It's perfect for older kids too. Great for school lunch, breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. Soft, balanced, and stress-free. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell. More nourishing meals are coming your way, straight from my kitchen to yours.